All right, Roku Smart TVs got a software update in March, and there's a glitch there that will make you lose all of your over-the-air TV antenna channels if you lose internet connection to your TV. Now, there's a few things you can do. You can wait for a bug fix to come out, but who knows how long that's going to take. You can also factory reset the TV, but the problem with that is you're going to erase everything from the TV, including all your apps, preferences, settings. Even your list of over-the-air antenna channels will be gone. A better solution is to simply eliminate the problem, and the problem in this case is the internet connection. Now, there is a way to do this. It's buried deep in the settings menu, almost like they don't want you to find it. Now, right here on my TV, starting at the home screen, I am connected to the internet. So going into the live TV app here, there are my antenna channels, and then all the streaming channels as well that are free if you're connected to the internet. So this is, what you'd expect under normal circumstances. Now going back to the home screen, let's say that your internet connection goes out. At this point, you will not be able to access any of your local over-the-air channels, and the problem with that is that in an emergency you won't have access to any information. You definitely don't want to have your antenna channels tied to the internet in that way. So at the home screen, go to the settings option, press OK, and then in the settings menu, go down to system. I told you this was buried deep in the menu. And now down to advanced system settings. So select that by pressing OK. Now this is where you can factory reset your TV, but again, you're going to erase everything. All we want to do is erase the internet connection for now. You can always reconnect later on once your internet service is restored. So go to network connection reset, and then reset the connection. Now doing this will take the wireless network out of your TV's settings menu and will basically turn your smart TV into a non-smart TV temporarily, but this will allow you to still watch your TV antenna channels without internet. So go ahead and press reset connection, and the TV is going to restart. And now that the TV has restarted, you'll notice in the top right corner it says not connected. There's no internet, but my TV antenna is still connected to the coax connector in the back, and we can still get my over-the-air channels. We'll go to antenna TV now. The guide's going to look a little different because we're not going to have all those streaming channels in there because there's no internet, but we are still getting all the local over-the-air channels with the antenna. This is how you can get around this glitch until Roku fixes their software properly.